Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to be testing out the new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is Google's newest model out on the market. You cannot buy anything newer. I've actually never tested this phone before, so I've never used it, but I do have these for sale on my website right now. I also have the regular Google Pixel 9s and the Pixel 9 Pro XLs for hundreds of dollars off. This is a $1,200 phone. Yes, with an S, hundreds of dollars off. So we're right here in San Diego at a place in front of me. It's called Sunset Cliffs. It's a really nice spot to take pictures and videos. That's what I'm gonna be testing out. And we'll see if I can entertain you guys with a little bit of how San Diego looks like. It's a cloudy day right now, but we won't let that stop us from having fun, right? Google Pixel 9 Pro XL hands-on. So we're filming now on the Pixel phone. Let's use the zoom feature. So like I said before, I've never used this phone before. So let's see how far this thing can zoom. Okay, let's go a little bit further. I think you go further. There you are. I think it says 20 times right there. I think that's the furthest it goes. So let's see how far that is. There we go. That's pretty far. I mean, I don't know if that's a normal feature to use, but yeah, once you zoom in all this way, it's kind of harder to keep it steady. But we'll go back, see how far that is again. Wow, what the freak? Okay. So where I'm going to take you is we're going to go all the way to the end, and I'll show you that over there. Check this out. I was walking down this path right here, and there's a bench right here. And if you look right here, it's Chris Cornell. I guess it's lyrics from songs and Pennywise. I know Pennywise is like a punk band. Some of you guys aren't old enough to know who these people are. Chris Cornell is a lead singer from Soundgarden. I've been to one of their concerts in San Diego before. I've seen Pennywise in concert, I think at the Warped Tour, like way back in the day. But yeah, let's keep going down the path. All right, so I'm gonna take you guys to a really cool spot right over there, but check this out. Look at these surfers. See if you can see that. I kind of have the sun in my face right now. see the surfers? I can't really tell because I'm looking directly at the sun. There they are. Let's see that zoom feature. Today's a Monday afternoon. It's kind of, it's 4:30ish. There you go. See, there's some stairs right there that go all the way down there. I've been down there once before. I've always known about this place my whole life. I just never really like came around here. Maybe we'll go down there in a little bit. Some dogs down there playing around. So what do you guys think of Sunset Cliffs? There's some benches here too that you can sit. I've actually seen some people sit right here. Right here, I'm pointing with my foot. They grab their lawn chairs right here and they just kick it and they just watch the sunset right here. Check that out. They always have these birds flying around, some big pelicans or whatever they're called. Here's some more birds right here. Wow, okay. I was actually over here like a month ago, and I want to show you guys something that they said they found some dinosaur bones over here. I'll show you some like big fish. I don't know if you guys seen those prehistoric fish or whatever. Hold on, let me check this out. All right.
Right. Let me get a picture.
Wow, dude, that guy is like on the fucking edge. Wow, I would not even get on the freaking edge like that. Hell no. You don't know if these like, it's made of dirt, so I don't know. Where the hell did he go? So we're here on top of the stairs. Oh, I stepped in a puddle. So folks, when they say it costs more money to live in California, this is the reason why. Okay? Today is President's Day. It's a holiday, so that's why I think a lot of people are out here. Usually, like, there's not really that much people out here, only on the weekends.